So before we start making our first web page, I do want to show you how to download a program called Notepad++. And while we can use normal Notepad, what's really nice about Notepad++ is that it actually color codes the tags for us. So as you make tags, it'll put them in different colors, tags in one color, content in another. It also numbers your lines of code. And to be honest, it's just easier to read in general. So I'm going to show you where to find Notepad++ because it's not something naturally on your computer, but it's something we can really easily download. So if you go into your files and folders, you're going to find it in the shared drive. So along your ZenWorks window, click on Files and Folders and click on the shared drive. Now, you have different folders than I do, but we have some that are in common. So what I'd like you to click on is the MHS one, followed by the Students Shared, not the Hand-In folder or the Handout folder, but the Student Shared. Then you'll have a lot in here. I want you to scroll all the way down until you find my last name, which is Wardecki, so it's right here. Double click on that, you'll see a multitude of years in there. Click on our school year of 2017-2018. We are in the spring 2018 semester. We are HTML in hour 5. And then inside of here, you'll see the Notepad++ installer. And if you click on that, it will automatically start the installation process. Now you can see on my desktop, I already have Notepad++ here, but what this will do is it will have you select a language, and then it'll have you continue through the setup process. Now, something I want you to note as you go through this is there will be an option on the final screen that says Create Shortcut on Desktop. As you do this, I would make sure you click that because then you'll get that shortcut right onto your desktop so you don't have to search for it every single time you want to open the program. Now, once you get to this point, you'll click Install and it should start installing. There may be some updates it wants you to do, which is perfectly fine. I'm not going to click it because I already have it installed. But once it finishes the process, once you've installed it completely, once you open up Notepad++, this is what you will see. And you can see that it numbers along the side saying we're on number 1, line 1, and we go from there. Now, one other thing I do want to discuss about Notepad++ is if you forget to make it a desktop icon, how do you actually find it? You can actually find this, if I can go back to that slide, by clicking on this Windows taskbar down here. So if you forget to make it an icon, if you click down here and you click in the little search window, the little search icon, you can actually start typing Notepad and you'll see Notepad++ and Notepad pop up. So if you forget to make it a desktop icon, you can still access your download. You're just going to need to use the search bar instead, and then it'll say best match, and it'll show you the number of applications that have the word Notepad or N or whatever you have in it. So at this point, you should be downloading Notepad++ and adding that to your desktop.